This video shows you how to organize objects in your navigation pane. In Microsoft Access, database objects are organized in the navigation pane, which is on the left-hand side of the screen. Within the navigation pane are objects. You would see a table, forms, and queries. You can view object by simply double-clicking on it. If you need more space to work, you can collapse your navigation pane by clicking on the shutter bar open close button. Now you have enough space to work. You can click on the same button to expand it. The database object is currently open in the All Tables and Related Views. You can change the view by simply clicking on the drop-down arrow on the top of the navigation pane to display the category and group list. In the category, you can select the object type and click on any of the objects to view it. I will click on the customers object. The object will open in datasheet view. You are able to switch between datasheet view and design view. To switch to design view, you simply go to the Home tab, and within the Views group, you click on the drop-down arrow and you select Design View. If you want to switch back to the datasheet view, you go to the View tab, click on the drop-down arrow, and you select datasheet view. You can also switch between views by clicking on the View button in the status bar. Click on the Design Sheet view. Click on the Datasheet View button. To close your object, you simply click on the X on the right-hand side of the screen and close the Books table. You are also able to navigate between records in your table. Open one of the tables by double-clicking on it. To enter a new record, you can simply start typing in the first column on the bottom. I will type a random number. Press on the tab or enter to go to the next column. Testing. Some of the columns have something that we call the lookup field. Click on the tab and you would see a drop-down arrow. This is the category column. It is a lookup field. Click on the drop-down arrow and you select an option from these values. Click on tab to go to the next column. Put in your data and then press enter to go to the next row. If you are not able to see the last row, you can simply go to the navigation bottom of your page and select the New Blank Record button. And then you will be able to enter data. You are also able to navigate between records in your table. To navigate between records in your table, we are going to use the navigation control button, which is on the bottom of the datasheet view. To move to the last record, we click on the last record button. To move to the first record, we click on the first record button. To move to the next record, we click on the next record button. To move to the previous record, we click on the previous record button. If we want to jump to any of the record, we can simply put in the number here. Okay, I entered 10 and I pressed enter and it took me to this record right here. To move back to the first record, I'm just going to click on the first record button. This concludes our navigation video.